Good morning, student of 12th. Today we want to discuss the chapter number first from the Vistas book. The title of the first chapter is The Third Level. The Third Level, written by Jack Finney. Jack Finney is an American author, American writer who has written this lesson, The Third Level. Dear students, this story was written in 1952 and Jack Finney writes very fascinating and thrillers. I hope that you might be boring after reading this lesson, but this is full of the fantasy, full of the reality. There is an intersection of the time and the space in the story, and the story is about a person. The main character of the story is Charlie. Charlie, 30 years old young man, who is the narrator of the story and who is the protagonist. Protagonist, what is the meaning of protagonist? The main character. The whole story moves around the Charlie. Charlie, one day, after having completed the work from the office, he wanted to go to home soon, and he wanted to go by a train, not by a bus. And he entered into the Grand Central Station of the Newark. What is the Grand Central Station? This is the main railway station of the Newark. Students, there are two levels in the Grand Central Station. The first level, where the 20th century trains move, and the second level, where suburban local trains move. There are only two levels in the Grand Central Station. According to the presidents of the railway boards, Newark, Grand Central Stations, Hartford, they confirm that there are only two levels on the railway station, the first level and the second level. But Charlie, the narrator, a 30 years old person who discovers a third level, he was hurried to go to home and he got lost the way, and he entered into such a building, in such a place, and he entered through the tunnels, he entered through the staircases, and he entered into the third level. What is the third level? Third level, this is a railway station like the 19th century, 1894, and he finds all the things which were available in the 19th century. 19वीं शताब्दी में जितनी भी चीज़ें थी, he thought that all the things were at the third level. When he told about the third level to his friend, psychiatrist friend Newsweiner, he refused to believe, and he said that it was the vague dreaming of Charlie. And when the person is fed up with the daily routine life of the modern century, he wants to escape in the past. And same happens with you. You are suffering from the anxiety, fear, tension, frustration, and you want to take the refuge and the rest in the past. That's why you are talking about the third level. But he brings the fantasy and the reality when he has discovered the third level. Even he mentions the things, whatever he has seen at the third level. The word, it is the name of the newspaper. The word, it is the name of the newspaper. And old currency notes he had seen. He had seen the brass spittoons. He had seen the ticket windows. He had seen the old locomotives, derby hat and the mustache peoples he had seen there. And he explained in the detail about the third level. He find the different people there. He find the different locomotives there. He find the different spittoon there, the dim lights, old fashioned people, old fashioned mustache peoples. He finds there. When he explained the situation of the third level to the friend, even he saw a window of the third level where he could buy the 2 tickets. He has a dream to visit his wife. He has a dream to visit to the Galesburg. He wanted to visit the Galesburg. Galesburg is a city. The city belongs to Illinois. Illinois is a state in America. And Galesburg is a beautiful city, and he wanted to visit there because he finds the peace, he finds the natural atmosphere, he finds the pleasant atmosphere, a pleasant environment in the Galesburg, and he wanted to buy 2 tickets. When he went to the ticket window of the third level, and he was asked to bring the old currency. When he went outside the third level to change the currency, and while returning back he could not find the third level. He was very much upset. When he came back to the home, he told his wife, Louisa, narrator's wife, she was very much upset about thinking about the third level, thinking about the Galesburg, thinking about failing to buy the tickets. She was very sad and upset. One more thing, that Charlie has a habit and hobby of stamp collecting, and when he was advised by the psychiatrist friend Sam that there is no existence of the third level and you are feeling a sense of insecurity, fear and fed up with the 21st century atmosphere, and that's why you are thinking about the third level. He says that my grandfather and the then president of America, Roosevelt, they had a hobby of the stamp collecting, and they wanted to take the refuge and peace of mind in the stamp collecting. They did not want to escape from the reality. One day when he was searching the stamps, he was watching the stamps, he found a first day cover. What is the meaning of first day cover? फर्स्ट डे कवर क्या होता है? जब न्यू स्टैम्प इश्यू किया जाता है तो स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो वन एनवेलप दे सेंड्स टू देमसेल्व्स, वो अपने पास भेज लेते हैं पोस्ट कार्ड डाल के उसमें एनवेलप में और उस पर स्टैम्प लगा के, बिकॉज दे वांट टू कलेक्ट द स्टैम्प्स. दिस इज द फर्स्ट डे कवर. एंड ही फाउंड ए लेटर. इट वाज रिटन दैट 18 जुलाई 1894 it was a letter from the Sam. Sam has escaped and went to the Galesburg. It was addressed from the Galesburg and it was sent to the grandfather address, and date was mentioned 18 July 1894 when he received the letter from the Sam. Sam is psychiatrist France, and he writes that I have found the third level. I am living with my family in the Galesburg. This is a very peaceful place. People are very cooperative and helping, and there are the big trees, big lawns, and people enjoy just like the past days. And writes your friend Sam Werner. Then he convinces and believes that there is a third level exists. Dear students, I think you have not got the interest in the story, but I want to make clear that this is a story is based on the theme that whenever in the modern life, the 21st century is full of tension, full of burden, full of frustration, hypertension, insecure, fear and war, and people do not have any peace of mind. And a person who is suffering from such type of things like insecurity, like war, tension and anxiety and fear also, they want to take refuge in the past. They want to search the peace of mind through the hobbies like stamp collecting, gardening, cooking, fantasy of the past, and yoga and meditation. These are the hobbies of the people. They want to take the refuge, they want to enjoy, they want to remember the past just to remove their tension, fear, frustration, anxiety and so on. Dear students, that is why the narrator of the story, Charlie, is very much fed up with the daily routine life of the 21st century, and he makes a fantasy and imagination about the 19th century, and he finds their solace of mind, peace of mind, he finds their romance, he finds their thrilling experience, he finds their pleasant environment, he finds peace of mind. So this is the end of the lesson. This lesson gives a message that this lesson also gives a message that it is the fact that everybody wants to escape from the hard realities of the life. Everybody wants to escape, run away from the tension, frustration, confusion, hypertension, fear and insecurity and war in the modern century. That is why he wants to remember the past, and same happens with the Charlie. Same happens with the Charlie. Dear students, there might be the possible questions related to this chapter. What is the meaning of the first day cover? Second, was really existence of the third level? What were the scenes and the environment of the third level? Is a third level is the medium of the escape? There is a parallelism of the fantasy and the reality. And what was the atmosphere of the past 19th century and what is the atmosphere of the present? So all these things, all these statements might be the question related to this text. Thank you students, have a good day.